solid guide on how to easily deal with arthritis. With well over 100 different types of arthritis, it is little wonder that millions upon millions of people are diagnosed with the condition every year all over the world. The information found in this selection of arthritis tips and tricks will shine some light on the mysteries of arthritis and its symptoms. Learn as much as you can about the disease. The more you know about the symptoms and treatments for arthritis, the more of an active role you can play in your treatment plan. It can also help you to feel less alone, to read about what others with the condition are going through and what they've been trying. It might seem hard to do, but you should exercise often if you have arthritis. If your joints don't have the opportunity to move, they will become more weak, which can be a negative impact on your arthritic condition. To increase range of motion, try flexibility exercises. Put it flush against your thigh, then push down with a flat part of your hand. Using this technique will be much gentler to your arthritic hands. It is important that you quit smoking if you suffer from arthritis. It is a proven medical fact that smoking can make your arthritis symptoms worse. Also, if you smoke and you are taking medications to control your arthritis symptoms, smoking can actually decrease the positive effects of these medications. It is important that you get the flu shot if you suffer from arthritis. Just like with many other chronic illnesses, arthritis symptoms will get much worse if you get the flu and could even land you in the hospital. The flu shot is a simple shot that you only have to get once a year. For arthritis sufferers, you may want to consider yucca as a natural treatment. It is a proven medical fact that the extract from yucca helps to ease the pain of arthritis. You can buy yucca at most grocery stores, or get the extract from stores that sell vitamins and supplements. Make sure you have a bed designed for your needs. People who suffer from arthritis should talk with their doctors about finding out what is the right kind of bed for someone in this condition. Every condition is different, so proper medical advice should be heeded to find the most beneficial bed for yours. If you or someone that you are close to suffers from arthritis, you should know that it is very important to stay positive. While there is no cure for arthritis, following the advice in this video will offer you some insight into the various options available for the treatment and management of the disease. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.